As I said in the last video that BTC still needs to go down, liquidate long positions, and then we could move up or we could start our next move. Well, that's what's happening right now. Like if you see the chart of BTC, then the last time I made a video, we were over here, that the price of BTC was over here. And then since then, the price is now moving down, and it is now at 48,000, 47,000 level. I still think that the price of BTC can move to this level, which is 40,000. And if it does not hold, then we are going down to this level, which is 30K. And while this happens, all altcoins will bleed, and the best place to be will be in the IDOs. That is where you are going to get those insane gains. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to invest in IDOs. So let us get started. The first thing you will need to invest in IDOs is different wallets browser extension. Like MetaMask for Ethereum based projects or Binance Smart Chain, Polygon based projects, Nami wallet for Cardano based project, and Phantom for Solana based projects. So you will need to add all of these extensions to your browser. And you can get it from Google itself. Just search for MetaMask extension or that particular wallet which you need. Just make sure that when you add it to your browser and set it up, store the private keys properly, because your private keys are your cryptos. Now the next thing is to set up different networks inside MetaMask wallet, as different blockchain based projects will need different networks. So for that, open MetaMask from here, like click over here, open MetaMask, then click over here. Now go to add a network. After that, they will ask you for all the details, and you can get the details from Google itself. Like let us say you want to set up a Polygon network. So just search for Polygon network details of MetaMask. And then from here, you will get all the details, and you just have to copy all these details over here in the MetaMask and then click on save. And your new network will be set up. Now that we have all our wallets set up, let's move to the important part, from where to invest in IDOs. Now, before I tell you that, if you are enjoying this video, then make sure you hit the like button. You can invest into IDOs by two different ways. The first is through their official website. Like many new projects, what they do is they announce it on social media, and then you can invest into those by just going to their website and sending them money. It is just like you mint NFTs by sending Ethereum to different wallets. If you do so, just make sure to check the links of the website through Discord or any official Twitter or Telegram channel, because recently I was scammed with around 10 Ethereum where I was participating in IDO of Monkey Ball Crypto, and by mistake I opened a phishing website which just looks like the official website. For those who don't know what a phishing website is just the copy of the official website with a minute change in the name of the website, which is not even recognizable. So I sent my Ethereum, and then I realized that it's not an official website but a copy of it, and my Ethereums are gone now. So these kind of things and these kind of scams will happen, so make sure you be aware of it. Now the other way, which is safer and better, is through Launchpads. Now for those who don't know what a Launchpad is, a Launchpad is basically a platform for crowdfunding a new project where you get a chance to be in the private sale. There are different Launchpads in the market, different for each blockchain. Like Cardano has Occam Razor and Cardans, and then there is GameFi for all the gaming projects, and then there are different other Launchpads. And if you want me to make a separate video on different kind of Launchpads, then let me know in the comment section below, and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you stay updated with it. Now let us see how to invest in IDOs through Launchpads. And for this, I will take an example of Occam Finance. Like recently I invested in the IDO of MouseWeb, and I will tell you how I did it so that you get an example of what you need to do. The first thing you need to do is go to the website of that Launchpad. Now every Launchpad website will have its own app. Like here on Razor or Occam.finance, we have Razor app. So I will click on that, and then a new website will open. Now here they will ask me to connect my MetaMask and ADA wallet, and I will do that. And after I'm done with that, I will have to do the KYC. After this, they have different tiers for investing. And to participate in any new IDO, you will need the token of that Launchpad staked on the website. Like over here in this website, here first I had to buy OCC tokens on MetaMask or any other website, then send it to my MetaMask wallet, and then I have to stake it over here on this website. Like here is the option for staking, like go to staking, and from here you can stake the tokens. Now based on the amount of tokens you stake, you will be assigned to different tier. Like if you stake over 150 OCC tokens, then you will be assigned to tier 5 or Mont Blanc, and based on it you will be assigned to different tiers. Also, the more token you stake, the higher your chance of buying new tokens get, and you get to buy more amount of tokens. Now when you are done with this, the next thing is to select a project. Like here you can see that there are different projects which is having their IDOs right now. Select a project of your choice and then click on register, which is over here, and then register for it. Now after you're done with the registration, you will be whitelisted and you will be provided with the information of which tier you belong to and when will you get the chance of buying the token. Like here you can see that I have been whitelisted in wave 5. They have given me a time of when I need to buy those tokens. So around this time they will provide me around half an hour to buy those tokens, and within half an hour I will have to send BNB or click on the buy option over here and then buy the tokens. And when the IDO is over, I will receive my tokens, and then usually there is a several days of vesting period where you are restricted to sell any new tokens. And after that restriction is over, you can sell it on any exchange in which it is listed on. Here it is. This is how you invest in IDOs. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then make sure you hit the like button. And also I will be adding a new video on more upcoming IDOs, so make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on those videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.